What is going on? It is the Lazy Panda. We were having some CPU issues. We were playing the game and it was shutting down. We were uploading videos and they would just shut down mid-process. So we're going to show you how to fix it and detect it. So the first thing we did was we went to NZXT. We hit the software button up top and moved all the way down to download the cam. What this application does is it monitors your CPU temperature. After downloading the software, what we did was we created a stress test that was making the CPU shut off. By doing this, we turned our recording software and uploaded Fortnite. As you can see, our CPU temperatures were well above the maintained level 80 degrees. It was even going past 95 degrees, and at that point is when it would shut down. Another big indicator was how loud the fans were running. It was running at 100% and still not being able to maintain a great CPU temperature. You want your CPU temperature to be around 80 under a load like gaming and recording. Ours was well past 95, which is a big red flag. There are many ways to fix a CPU, but the only way that I'm going to recommend fixing your CPU is to get a new cooler. The cooler we went with was the iQ H150i Elite. We were really happy with this cooler. We uploaded Fortnite and turned on the recording software, and our temperatures were drastically dropped. We are really happy with these results, and we hope that this could fix a problem of your PC randomly shutting down. Till next time, check that CPU and see what's going on. Hope this helps you guys, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.